Far ahead in the future lived technologies that belonged to a new era of washing. When LG's front-load washing machine traveled through time to meet those technologies, we knew there was no looking back. Future gave us artificial intelligence direct drive, and it took us on a drive to the next generation. With this technology, our washing machine automatically recognizes the weight and fabric type of your clothes in a single touch, while ensuring 18% more fabric protection. But wait a minute, can you hear the silence around? It's the direct drive motor attached directly to the washing drum and makes less noise, less vibration. Direct drive motor personifies the future of a motherly wash by generating 6 different motions, including scrubbing, rolling, stepping, swing, tumbling, and filtration in a single washing machine. In our journey to the future, we went full steam ahead. That's why, when it comes to the hygiene of your clothes, our washing machine not just washes, but steam washes to remove 99.9% of germs, allergens, and bacteria. Imagine you are in an important meeting while your washing machine is washing your important laundry. It's all possible with the LG ThinQ app that lets you operate your washing machine anytime from anywhere. It can also download cycles, monitor energy consumption, and diagnose any problem. The time has come. The future has arrived. Right in front of you is LG's front-load washing machine, which is ahead of its time.